Today we're going to be setting up Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. Please note this guide assumes you already have a Google Analytics account and you're using Google Tag Manager to integrate with your website. We're going to be setting up a new Google Analytics 4 property for dual tracking. Our goal here is to have GA4 tracking and collecting data alongside our existing Universal Analytics so that we have both sets of data being collected for the time being. Starting from the home screen of your Google Analytics account, go ahead and enter the admin menu down in the bottom left. And then from our middle column here, we're going to want to hit Create Property and give our new property a name. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and call it Test Website GA4. Go ahead and select the appropriate time zone for the location of the client or website. You can skip over the advanced options down there and go ahead and hit Next. You also don't need to fill out any of this demographic information. It has no effect, so we can go ahead and continue. Next, we need to go ahead and create a data stream now that we've created this, in this case web, since this is a website. Go ahead and enter our name for our website. I'm going to do www.testwebsite.com, and just to keep it simple, I use the same for the stream name as well. Make sure that enhanced measurement is selected, and then go ahead and hit Create Stream. Analytics will come back to you, and what you're going to want to do is copy that measurement ID up in the top right. That's what we're going to need as we move on to the next step within Google Tag Manager. Okay, from within your Google Tag Manager account, go ahead and click on New Tag. And we're going to want to name this. In this case, I'm going to name it GA4 Configuration because that's the type of tag that we're going to be adding. After naming, go ahead and click and select Google Analytics GA4 Configuration as your tag type. Paste in your new measurement ID that we got from Analytics, and make sure that you set your triggering to all pages. And then we can save these changes. After creating our website, we're now going to want to enter the preview mode to make sure that this is working. Please note I'm using a live website for this part of the video. You'll want to enter your actual URL in the field here. Go ahead and hit connect, and what that will do is we'll open your website in a new tab, and it will also connect with your website in the prior tab. So when we head back over into the Google Tag Manager preview window, we should then see, there it is. There's our GA4 configuration tag. Success, it actually fired. Fantastic. We can exit debugging. And the last step we really want to do is submit those changes. Go ahead and put in something here that will make sense to you in case you ever need to do any revisions. In this case, I'm just keeping it nice and simple. And now our very last step is to verify our site is receiving traffic. So cruise around your site a little bit, generate some traffic. Okay, and then we're going to head back into our Google Analytics 4, our new one that we just set up, and into our real-time traffic. We should actually start to see some results populating, and there we are. We do see there is a user, there's some real-time data. So thanks for tuning in on this today. As a next step, be sure to set up your goals in your new GA4 property to begin tracking your conversions. For more information, be sure to download our ultimate guide to GA4. Thanks, and have a great day.